Okay, so rural internet. I'm really relieved I found this option because I really did not know what to do. I have a business, a home business, where I use a hardwired connection and a Wi Fi one off this device. I grew up on a farm, so I want to share this with people in a similar situation. I moved back to a more rural area to run my video production and live streaming business, and I also do my video vlogs live, which would mean relying on good bandwidth and fast speeds for uploading and downloading files and to live stream. So it's very tricky in the country because you need good internet. So I started looking for internet options. Cable runs were super expensive. Satellite was slow and unreliable because of the weather. And the cell phone plans were costing a fortune with what I was trying to do. Throttling was an issue. If you go over a certain amount of data, they start limiting your bandwidth speed. And after looking everywhere, I found a company called NetBuddy. And what they do, they take 4G signals from AT&T and they buy the bandwidth and redistribute it. And the beauty with their plan is there's no throttling. I looked at one of their user testimony videos. The guy streamed from his hotspot for about 10 hours in 4K. It's wild. So I've been using the 4G router for about 3 to 4 months. I haven't even seen the streaming drop. This month I'm up to about 300 gigabytes of data used. I use it as my personal home internet, and when I'm not watching Netflix all day in HD, live streaming to my followers. Also, I do a lot of traveling, so I take this everywhere. And since AT&T's 4G signal is everywhere, I haven't run into too many problems, so it's been great. I purchased this 4G router from NetBuddy. It has an embedded SIM card. When you get the router, the service is already activated. The service is $60 monthly. I connect to the wireless signal from the router. Also, when I'm live streaming, I go wired to my computer through Ethernet ports. The great thing about NetBuddy is their data plan. I needed a router with the SIM card, but you can actually buy the SIM card separately and use it in other connected devices. So check out the link below. If you're in the same situation as I was, go to netbuddy.co and purchase their unlimited 4G, never throttle data.